today we're going to try something really cool. Check these guys out. These are sold at Battery Hookup as well. Put this on this cheap crate. I have not even looked at these yet, so you're getting a first look with me. This came in the mail a few days ago. And these are 100 amp hour LifePo 4 batteries. This is a 1S configuration, so you buy them in packs of 4. You either get 12 volt battery, 24 volt battery, 36 volt battery, or 48 volt battery. There you go. I'll put in a link in the description for these, and if you use my code GOING, you get I think like 5% off, and then I get a little kickback as well, so I can keep buying batteries like this and keep making videos. But these are more money than to assemble them yourselves, because they also sell the cells for these, and you can obviously do this yourself. But this comes in a ready-made package, so for some people they don't want to really do this themselves. That they want to be able to connect them themselves and build their system. They just don't want to build their own pack itself. So that's where these come in. I think are pretty cool. Max discharge is 100 amps. So I'm actually going to put 120 amp BMS per pack. I bought 8 of these, so I'm going to make one giant 12 volt battery, but I'm going to use one BMS for 4 packs. And I'm going to limit the BMS output to about maybe 90 or 95 amps. It'll stay slightly below what they oh look, max charge is 100 amps too. That's pretty good. Those are some powerful cells, so they can really take a lot of power. And I'm going to be putting it in this battery case here, which I got from Battery Hookup. It's a nice case actually. So let's see how well it fits. I haven't even tried this yet. I looked at the measurements and I was like, yep, that'll fit. Okay. So it looks like it does fit quite nicely. Oh, it fits almost perfect. Wow. Wowee. That is impressive. So, will I get 8 in here? Let's take a look, see, and find out. Well, I will not be fitting 8 of these in here, because, well, they just don't fit. That's too bad. It would have been sweet, because this would have been a 200 amp hour 12 volt battery. But instead, I'm going to just put 4 in. There's the other 2 I got here. I'll put 4 in. I'll make a 100 amp hour battery. Put 120 amp BMS in here. Looks like you could fit a little inverter. Maybe I'll try and squeeze that little inverter in there. That'd be cool. Wonder if that's possible. Anyways, then we'll have a 100 amp hour battery, and I'm gonna make 2 of these. I actually bought 2 of these cases, so that'll be perfect. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so I decided to scrap the inverter idea. We're going for just 4 modules in here. I know it's sad seeing all the extra space. I still gotta cover this bolt. I'm going to spray foam in between these now. They'll not move. I already got my BMS mounted. I got the Bluetooth mounted. I just gotta connect it. And that's it. Spray foam it, put the lid on. And that's it for this battery. This will be a 12 volt battery now. 100 amp hours. And we'll have to give it a little test. Got a nice little temperature sensor for the BMS, and that does work, at least from this brand that I've tried. That doesn't want to stay. Anyways, I'll show you guys when it's all done. Okay, so got the battery done. Now we're just waiting for the foam and everything to harden on the inside before I can turn it upside down and put all the screws in. I bought 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on that side, just to keep the lid closed. I modified what this battery is: 12.8 volts, 1,280 watt hours, 100 amp hours, maximum volts, 14.6 or 14.8. You can go a little higher, but not much. I got the BMS set to shut everything down. Putting 18 amps into it. Yeah. And next are these ones. We got to take this BMS out, this BMS out, and you can tell these are made at different times because they're a little bit different. They got different cells. The BMS also looks different. Looks like they had some problems with this board here, so eventually they covered it with this stuff, or maybe this stuff was causing a problem and they stopped using it. Who knows? Anyways, yeah, pretty happy with this. I thought it was going to be a bit lighter because I didn't put the inverter in. It is not lighter at all. It's about the same. So it's about the same in weight, except for I lost about 1,500 watt hours because these LifePo 4s are just not as energy dense as these 18650s that are in these batteries. Anyways, and there's also, like, there is gaps in between the batteries, but if those were all filled up, this would be even heavier. But I look forward to using this battery. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.